Hi, my name's Sean Parson. I'm a plastic and reconstructive surgeon in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm here at the Vegas Surgery Conference, and I've been asked to respond to a few questions about a procedure that I do all the time, which is mommy makeovers. Mommy makeover is a procedure where we have rejuvenation of the breast and the abdomen after someone has a baby. And the questions that I often get asked are a couple questions, but how long does it take to just get back to normal? I mean, moms are busy. They want to get back to being a mom. Recovery really breaks down into two different segments because there's two different parts to the procedure. There's a part where it's the breast surgery, and there's also a part where it's the abdominal surgery. So I'm going to break that into two different answers. For the breast surgery, it usually takes about 3 days until you're kind of going to your third favorite restaurant. You know, you're not back in the gym yet, but you're kind of doing normal things from the breast standpoint. From the abdominal standpoint, it's about 3 times as long. It takes about 3 weeks to really get back and to start doing some things again. You're in the early stages, you know, no one really gets in trouble being a mom, but it's really kind of, when do I go back to the gym? When can I do normal things around the house? I've never had a patient who, after about a week, had trouble being a mom again. You know, you want to hold your kids, you want to get back to just normal day-to-day activities, and that part's fine. Just in terms of, you know, when can I get back to the gym, though? That part, usually at the 3rd week, I let people get back to the gym. And when they go back to the gym, they're not running, they're not doing high-impact aerobics, but they're doing low-impact aerobics where they can do but they can do stair climber, they can do stationary bike, they can do just things where they're active again, but not really active in a bouncy, jumpy way. Probably not Pilates or yoga or anything like that. By 6 weeks after the procedure, you're really back to full recovery, and you're going back and doing all your normal activities. Another, you know, really key component that a lot of times people feel embarrassed to ask, but it's important, and you need to be able to ask that, is when can I be intimate with my significant other again? And it's really the same. I mean, there's just like exercise is broken down into, you know, full exercise where you're doing Pilates and yoga and things like that. You know, with intimacy, I think you can be careful and have kind of guarded intimacy after about 3 weeks. But really after 6 weeks, you're really back to normal in every course and facet of your life. I appreciate Real Self having me here today. Feel free to visit my profile on Real Self, and there are more topics like mommy makeovers and all the things that we do in Scottsdale.